Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vertex Tutorial. So from today onwards we are going to learn sheet metal part in Solidworks. So you can say that from this lecture we are going to start our sheet metal module. So let's see how to work on sheet metal. New part, okay. So we are on the interface of this Solidworks. So here make sure that you are using MMGS unit system. Now first of all we have to select a plane, select front plane, sketch. Now I'm going to draw some random model to explain you how we work on sheet metal module. So take center rectangle, make a center rectangle. I'm going to take it as 500 by 500 mm. That's it. Now first thing you have to do is go to sheet metal, or you can exit from this sketch, go to sheet metal. Here the first command you have to apply is base flange tab. Click on that. Here we have some sheet metal parameters. Let's see one by one. This is the thickness of the sheet. I'm going to take it as 1.5 mm, or let's say 2 mm. K factor keep it as 0.5. I will upload another video where I will explain what is K factor. So but for now take it as 0.5. Auto relief tier, click OK. So we have this base flange. Now you can change the parameter whenever you want. Just go here, sheet metal, click here, edit features. Here one parameter I haven't discussed, that is bend radius. Try to keep this as twice of the thickness. So I'm going to take it as 4. Click OK, and we have already set the thickness of the sheet metal. This will be universal. Thickness, K factor and tier. Click OK. We have this base flange. Now next command we are going to use is edge flange. Click on that. Go upwards. Now use default radius which we have set earlier, which is 4 mm. That is bend radius, you can say that. And you can change the angle if you want, 45, 80, 180. I'm going to keep it as 90. Here it should be blind. Let me show you this parameter. If you choose this is going to take dimension from outer virtual shark, and this one is going to take dimension from inner virtual shark. Click on that. See, you can see the difference in this also. Yeah, this also, but I'm going to keep it as it is, outer virtual shark. Flange position, I'm going to keep it material inside. You can change it just by clicking on this material. This should be material outside, and this one bend outside. It will bend outside from this line, and this one too. This one going to keep this, and don't forget to check this trim side bends. Custom bend allowance, custom relief, we don't want that because we have already set the K factor. Click OK. One thing we forgot, that we should not have this much of length. So go to edge flange, edit feature. I'm going to take it as 150. You can again click on edge flange. This also I'm going to keep it as 150. One more thing, you can select multiple edges at a time, and it will create the flange, or it will add the material upward or downward direction of same length at a time. Click OK. So we have this box, and we have learned how to use edge flange. Now one more thing I want to talk about is that we have a jog over here. Let's see what jog does. First of all, go to this flange, edit. I want one flange to be downwards. Click OK. One flange is downwards. For jog to work, we have to draw a line. Jog is basically just going to bend this 2 times. Let's see how the software will work. First of all, draw a line. I'm going to draw here a line, straight line. Do not try to draw any other type of line. I'm going to draw. You just have to draw a straight line, straight solid line. Go to sheet metal, jog, fixed face. I'm going to select this. Okay, you can see that it is going to bend, and it is at the same time it is offsetting. It is bending here and here, and it is offsetting from the original bend. So if you want a structure like this, you can use jog. Use the default radius, and here offset distance you can maintain, like I'm going to maintain 2. Keep it as 1. You can change the direction wherever you want. If you want the offset should be inside, click on that. If you want to your offset should be outside, click on that. I'm going to keep this. Dimension position, you can select multiple dimension positions. You can take overall dimension, you can take this dimension. This one is very convenient, I would rather say. Jog position is in the middle, and center line, it is bending about the center line equally upward and downwards. Material inside, it is going to take the material inside from this center line. Material outside and bend outside. We have all these options, but I would recommend that you should use this jog angle, keep it as 45 degree. If you want change, you can change it, but I'm going to keep it as 45 degrees. Ignore the warning, and we have a structure like this. Another command I want to show you that is sketch band. Go to edit flange first, edit features, just go downwards, click OK. We have now a structure like this. I just want a band here. We will do this by the help of a command which is sketch band. On this also you have to select this face, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal, go to line, draw a line. I want to bend this sheet from the middle of the face. Now we have drawn a line. Go to sheet metal, sketch band, bend parameter, select this. You can see that it is bending along this line. You can change the direction of chords and all these things. Just keep it as 45 degrees. Click OK. So we have a structure like this right now. So we have used sketch band, jog, and now one more feature I want to show you, that is hem. Hem is basically used to bend the edges of the sheet, so that anyone who is going to lift any sheet metal part is not going to be harmed. So go to hem, select this edge. You can see that it is bending. We have different type of hems. Actually, you can select this length of hem. Going to keep it as 10, and here we have this closed hem, open hem, teardrop, and this rolled one. Open hem, it will produce like this, and this one it is going to have a radius and an angle. K factor is default set, and this one rolled, it is going to roll around. You can change it to 5. It is going to roll like this. I'm going to keep this closed. Click OK. So we have successfully applied hem. Now if you are going to pull this part, or if you are going to hold this part, you are not going to be harmed. So again, go to hem, select this edge. You can select multiple edges actually at a time. This edge, this edge. So this is our hem. if you uh, if you didn't understand anything, you can ping me on my comment box. I will surely reply on that. So till now we have learned these many commands. We have learned base flange, H flange, jog, sketch bend, and hem. Now we are going to learn meter flange and cross break. So first of all, we are just go here and left click on that, and just under the base flange first place this blue line. So our motto was to just explain all these commands, and now we are going to learn about meter flange and sketch and cross break. Just go here, select this face, sketch, control 8 for normal, select this line, make a line like this. This is 1000 and this should be 150. Now okay, exit from the sketch. Now band parameters, exit from the sketch, go to sheet metal, meter flange. You can see that it is following this edge. Select this and select this, and it is following the edge as well as it is making a accurate revolution around this edges, and it is also making the notch here which we require. Click OK. This is our meter flange. You can see that how accurately corners are being closed and has been notched. This one is the best command if you want a notch around the edges. And now we have another command which is cross break. Click on this cross break and select this face, outside, inside, wherever you want to place. 1 mm break radius, 2 mm, whatever you want. You can select this. So we have successfully applied this cross break also. Now we are going to apply. First of all, let's see what is difference between meter flange and another command which is swept flange. You can find swept flange in insert, sheet metal, and here you will find sweep flange. So first of all, click on this again, go here, delete this meter flange, this, delete this, now delete this. Okay, now go to insert, sheet metal, swift flange. Profile is this and path this, 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 this. You can clearly see the difference. It is just following the profile, and it is making a curve here, 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 here. And in that, in meter flange, we had a rectangular shape here, and also we had a notch over here. So this is the difference between meter flange and swept flange. Swept flange is type of flange. You can say that it is not going to apply notch over here, and in meter flange you will find a notch over here and perfect rectangular shape. Again, delete this. We are going to apply meter flange only. Select this edge, and this edge. Click OK. And don't forget to save this part. Click on the save on desktop by the name of chimney, because in next lecture we are going to apply some further operation, and we are going to learn some further commands using this chimney model. So don't forget to save, and please like my channel.